Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Mecca Chameleon Not Launching, crashing the startup. So here's what you're gonna do. You want to right click on the game, go to properties, go to install files, click verify integrity of the game files. And after it's done verifying the game files, you want to click here, browse, find the Penguin Hotel, right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, make sure you click run this program as an admin and disable full screen optimization and run this program as an administrator. Run this program as compatibility and select Windows 8. Click OK, apply. Now, after you're done with that, you want to exit out of this. Now you want to go to search, type in settings. Now go to display, scroll down till find graphics, scroll down, click here, Mecca, or it's going to be called Bootstrap Package Game. But to find the game files, you want to go to Properties, Install Files, Browse, and you want to copy this path, exit out of this, go here, add a desktop app, and you simply paste here and then you add the Penguin Hotel to the list, and it will look like this. And it will be set to let Windows decide. You want to switch it to high performance, exit out of this. Now go to search again, type in device manager. In here, you want to look for the display adapters, double click on it or right click on it, click update driver, search. If it doesn't work, you want to copy this, open a new Chrome tab, type in your graphics card, type in your graphics card and the driver next to it, and then you can download the latest and greatest driver. So you would simply type it in and select your Windows version. For me, it's 11. Click find. Now it will find the game ready driver and the studio driver. You want to download the game ready driver, so click view and you simply click download. If you don't have the NVIDIA app, install it. It's the same for AMD. Now you open the NVIDIA or AMD app, go to drivers, and you simply click download and it will install the driver. While it's doing that, you want to go to graphics. While it's doing that, you want to go to system and type in here, or click on the G-Sync and make sure that is off. Go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay if it's on, and let the driver download. After it's downloaded, you want to reset your PC. What also you could try is open a new Chrome tab again and type in Visual C++, and you click first link, latest supported version. Scroll down a bit till you find latest supported version. First download the x64, download it, and you simply open it. And you click install. I already have it installed for you. It will install it. And after it's done, you want to download the x86, download it, open it, and then click install again. And once it's done, you want to reset your PC and then the game should work properly. What also you can try is go to properties, installed files. You can move the game files to local disk C if you have it on other drives, as it's more stable and it should work properly there. And that's about it. Also, make sure that you disable any third-party software that you're not using, MSI Afterburner, RGB software, fan control, etc., antivirus, etc., which can interfere with the game. After you've done all of that, the game should work properly, hopefully. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Mecca Chameleon Not Launching, crashing a startup. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.